Part 2 of Ironman 4x4 Philippines Next Gen Ranger build. We're now installing rear bumper. Check out the looks and build quality. Made from thick 4mm steel to ensure maximum strength and protection. It also have integrated mountings for the parking sensors and lights. Cool thing is, Ford's light housing for the number plate just clips onto the bumper. Wiring harnesses also have proper location at the rear. Maximum tow rating is also indicated for your safety. Simply plug-and-play wiring loom and no-cut installation for seamless compatibility. Rear bumper is installed. Watch out for more videos.